Hey friends, welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy, and welcome if you're new here. I'm Kshitij and I make DIYs, art, home decor and lifestyle videos here on my channel. And today I'm making fall inspired light academia DIYs for my work desk. So before I begin with the DIYs, let me give a small introduction about Light Academia. So basically Light Academia is an academic aesthetic and it got popular through social media, and it has a other counterpart that is Dark Academia. And Light Academia involves a lot of interest into literature, music, art and history, paintings, learnings, and about exploring life and finding happiness through outdoor excursions, like taking trips to museums and old libraries and having piles of books at home. So for my first DIY, I'm going to make over this little journal that I have. It is very simple booklet. So for that, I have used this a leather piece that I have glued it, and I had some extra leather in mustard color, so I'm just gluing it at the top where the binding is. And since this is fall inspired, I made fall leaves out of another leather piece, and I'm going to use this fall leaf as a bookmark. I'm going to take another piece of leather, just glue it at the back, and my bookmark will be created. I'll just show you in a bit how I did that. And I had this beautiful masking tape with me in white and beige color, and I glued this at the top portion of the journal. This adds a little bit of more detail to my otherwise very plain looking journal that I'm making. So yeah, I think the colors really complement each other. So I'm done over here. Next, I'm going to place my bookmark, and then I added some transfer tape images that I had in the theme of Light Academia. I had this beautiful vintage mirror in gold color, so vintage mirror frame, and I'm going to just put these and transfer them on the journal. So my journal is almost complete, and I'm going to show you in a bit how it looks. I really love how this turned out. So here's my fall inspired Light Academia themed journal. It has the smell of leather, it has a pretty fall inspired bookmark, and I think it looks gorgeous. Today I'm participating in the Fall Light Academia playlist, and it is hosted by Michelle from Moxie DIY and Java. Michelle is a great crafter, and I'm sure you're going to love all her videos. I've linked her channel along with the playlist in the description box. Don't forget to check out all the other crafters participating in the playlist. So moving on to my next DIY, but before that, it was a cold morning, so I had to first start with my cup of coffee, and then comes my second DIY. I'm making a vintage mirror over here. So I had seen those big huge life size mirrors that are ornated with gold detailing and everything. So I wanted to definitely make a little small tabletop version of that. And since I didn't have the exact oval shaped mirror with me, so I cut cardboard in oval shape just like so, and I glued the rectangular mirror in between, and with the help of masking tape I'm covering the sides, and I'm also gluing masking the mirror portion, and I'm going to spray paint the sides with gold acrylic paint, and this is going to get a nice vintage light academic touch to my mirror. And for that antique look and detailing on the mirror, I'm going to take air dry clay. I have created small flowers with the help of air dry clay. I have used small little molds in floral shape, and these flowers are looking really gorgeous, and I have covered the entire mirror with gold paint. Now while the mirror and the paint dries, I'm going to create my third DIY, and for that I have taken this small glass jar, and I'm going to color it with glass paint, and I'm going to make that dark colored candle vase. And for that I have taken dark color of glass paints, that is dark brown, black and little bit of gold. I've mixed these colors in order to paint the entire glass bottle. And the top portion of the glass bottle I have painted with gold acrylic paint, and I have added a small pumpkin on top just to make the little top handle of it. So once all the paint was dry, I filled the glass bottle with some stones and put in a tea light. You can directly fill the glass bottle with some wax and directly make a candle out of it. Moving on to the next day, I had these beautiful frames with me, but I wanted them to be in gold color, so I'm painting them with gold acrylic paint. I did a good 2 to 3 coats and let them dry between coats. And then I had beautiful pictures that I had been saving for quite some time. I really liked those images, so I'm going to frame those into these gold frames, and you're going to see in a bit how everything looks. So next comes the books, and since Light Academia is more about visiting cafes and libraries and all these things, and using more of neutral tones and colors like off-whites and beiges, so I'm going to use these papers, and I'm going to cover all my books with this to get into the theme of Light Academia. You can definitely paint the books or do whatever you want to make them into the appropriate theme, but I had these paper and I was really liking them to be the cover of my books. So yeah, I'm going ahead and just covering them how we did in school, the old school days when we were children and we had to cover our books and notebooks with brown paper. I hope you remember those days. Comment below if you have done that in school. I suppose everyone has done that, covering books and notebooks in brown paper. So do let me know if you have done that. So here I had this beautiful picture in the theme of Light Academia. It had the beautiful beige color. It had a picture of a small clock, a nebula, and some musical notes to it. So I thought, let's frame this, and it is absolutely theme appropriate. And look how gorgeous this looks after being framed. I really like how this is looking. And I also had this beautiful fall scenery, and I framed that too. And this is how my work desk is looking after I have set up everything. And I really like how beautiful, how minimal yet aesthetically pleasing my work desk has turned. I am really enjoying these beautiful Light Academia vibes, and I think I'm going to do more of this and incorporating this theme into my lifestyle, and maybe some more videos to come also. Let's see. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed all the DIYs today, and thanks a lot for watching and being the support that you've always been. I really appreciate all of you who have visited my channel and joined my channel. I really thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thanks a lot for watching once again. I hope you enjoy more of my videos, and please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all very soon in the next video. And until then, bye bye and take care.